If you want to test the knowledge on sets, you can keep solving these questions. If you want to learn the chapter on sets, you can watch the previous 3 videos in my playlist on sets. So you can sit with a notebook and solve these questions. The first question is, symbol for does not belong to is. Second question is, if n of a is equals to 4, n of b is equals to 2, n of a intersection b is equals to 1, then the value of n of a union b is equals to dash. Third question is, the shaded portion from the Venn diagram is. This is your Venn diagram in which you have set A, set B and set C, and you have a portion of it is shaded. You have to see from the Venn diagram what information you are getting. The fourth question is, in Venn diagram given below, this is a Venn diagram in which you have set A is consisting of 1, 3 and 5 and 7. Set B is consisting of 2, 4, 6 and 8. And outside of A and B you have 9 and 10, and that is your universal set mu. So in this 4 options are given. From this 4 options, one option will be correct. First option is A union B is equals to 5. Second option is A union B is equals to mu. Third option is A intersection B is equals to mu. And fourth option is A intersection B is equals to 5. So from the Venn diagram, you have to say and take any one option. Now these all 4 questions were of half mark each. Now coming to 1 mark questions. The first question is, Rima says n and set 1, 2, 3 set is closed are equal sets. Do you agree with her? Justify your answer. Now here n indicates natural numbers. The second question is, if n of a minus b is equals to 13, n of b minus a is equals to 17, n of a union b is equals to 36, then find the value of n of a intersection b. The third question is, C is equals to set of all types of triangles. D is equal to isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, right angle triangle. This all are one set. State whether C is a subset of D or D is a subset of C. Now the fourth question is, write all the subsets of 2, 4, 6, 8. Now coming to 2 marks question. In this you have one question of 2 marks. So the first question is, list the elements of G is equals to all factors of 20, and second bit is F is equals to all multiples of 4 between 17 and 61 which are divisible by 7. Now coming to 4 marks question, you have 3 questions of 4 marks each. So first question is, if A is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B is equals to set of factors of 24 smaller than 24, then verify A minus B union B minus A is equals to A union B minus A intersection B. The second question is, A is a set of vowels in the word mathematics, B is a set of consonants in the word school. Prove that n of A plus n of B is equals to n of A union B plus n of A intersection B. The third question is, if A is equals to x is to x is a prime number, x less than 20, B is equals to x is to x is equals to 2m plus 3, 0 less than m less than 9, m belongs to Z. Then find first bit B minus A, second bit A intersection B. For finding out B minus A, you'll get 2 marks, and for finding A intersection B, you'll get another 2 marks. So hope you have understood the questions, solved them, and you can submit them in the comments.